Good morning, guys. Today is waterfowl opener in Mendota, California. My brother and I didn't want to come early in the morning because it gets crazy out here on opener day. I asked the staff what's the report, and it did not sound promising.
Kind of depends where you're at.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's like most guys either have 3 or less, and I've seen 1 limit so far.
3 or less, and only 1 limit so far. It already sounds like it's going to be a long day. Three hours later, and all we got were flocks of mosquitoes.
Man, the mosquito bite is bad. Mosquito repellent.
Even with the repellent, we are still getting eaten alive. A bad day out here is better than a good day at work. Nothing on opener day, but we went home on a full stomach. The following week, I went back on an afternoon solo hunt. After 2 hours, finally a group of mallards shows up. Two hours later, a group of pintails shows up. I was stoked I was able to work these 2 groups. The following month, my boy and I went back to try and get a limit.
Guys, after 5 miles, then we got to our spot, and I'm so exhausted. Been 2 hours and there's no duck, and I'm trying to keep my hands. Another hour later, and there's no ducks.
We didn't see a single duck today. This year is tough. It is January now and the season is almost over. And we are back, trying to get a limit this season.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag.
Hey guys, so we're 1 duck ahead, and this is how, 1 duck away from our limit, because the limit is 7 ducks, and it's only 6.
Today's lunch are cup noodles.
Hey guys, we're eating chicken noodles before our last duck.
It's a beautiful day and finally some action. If only my shooting was better, we would have limit already. But I can't complain. What a beautiful overcast day. What a beautiful father and son kind of day. I tried my best teaching him to respect nature. Like the simple little thing. Picking up your shells and your trash when you are done. Unfortunately, my shot cam died, and we finally got our limit this year. Mission accomplished for this season. I always want to try a duck pho, so I'm going to pluck this mallards and use his bones to make duck broth. This is a coot I got on one of the solo hunt. They smell really bad. Most hunters don't harvest them because of the odor. For this guy, I'll just take the meats. I saw this blueberry bourbon bacon jams recipe on YouTube by ALFS Kitchen One, and I want to try it. Here's the toppings: aioli sauce, basil, minced garlic, fresh thyme. I also added some zest, lemon juice. Now let's chop these hard-earned breasts. Onion powder, salt, coffee rub, bacon, onion, Kentucky bourbon. Blueberries, coffee, brown sugar, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, bacon, top it with thyme.
The duck burger. I got this one.
Oh, wait.
Can you eat that one first? Is it good? Oh. Alright. taste it. Don't just put it in your mouth and say it's
I
good.
hope you guys enjoyed this
Truly
video as
tasty.
much as my son and I enjoy making
good?
it. Thank you guys for supporting this small channel. And remember to
Is it a
respect the
regular burger?
outdoors.